Hey, fun fact, when I visited the mall, the only thing I used to eat was orange chicken.
Really?
Yeah, from China Express.
Oh, China Express.
It's gone now,
Yeah.
but I literally only ate orange chicken. Hey everybody, I'm Jody Flanagan, and this is our fast food series. I'm gonna be showing you some world famous orange chicken and chow mein. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So today I'm going to be using the RTG450, the Matador from recteq, available at recteq.com, recteq.com. It comes standard with that 22-inch stainless steel pan. That pan is worth the price alone, ladies and gentlemen. Now that Matador pan fits in the bullseye, so they make the perfect complement for each other. Check them out at recteq.com right now. First step, we're going to glove up because I'm handling some poultry. We're gonna cube up this chicken. I've got some delicious, boneless, skinless chicken thighs right here. I love the dark meat. Who doesn't love dark meat? Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Wow, wow. I like chicken thighs. They're super versatile. Now, chicken thighs make a great first cook if you're brand new to recteq. After you finish that 400-degree burn-in, getting some chicken thighs and cooking them at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. It makes a great first cook. They splash some grease up on the inside. They start that seasoning process that you want. Now we've got our chicken cooped up. Hey, yeah. Now we've got our chicken cubed up. It's time to make our batter. Our batter consists of about 3 cups of flour, about a cup of cornstarch, about a tablespoon of Jody's Asian Persuasion, available at recteq.com. Mix that up. All right, now we're gonna take 1 egg, a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon or 2, about a cup of water. Mix that up. And we'll slowly add this in. We really want this to be the consistency of like pancake batter. That's what we want right there below. So we're gonna add our chicken to this batter. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That's gonna allow it to set and fully incorporate and surround that chicken. That way when we put it in our hot oil on the RTG450, it's gonna crisp up to absolute perfection. Each and every inch of that little 1 by 1 inch chicken bite is gonna be scrumptious, diddly-umptious. And if you wanna see me get hands deep in even more food, make sure you hit that red rectangle down there and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Head on over to the Facebook page and like this video too. All right, to keep this orange chicken and chow mein train rolling, it's now time for the chow mein. Now this is super easy, everybody. I've got 2 packs of buckwheat soba noodles already boiled off and ready for me. I've got all my mise en place ready. First thing we need to do is we need to assemble our delicious sauce that's gonna make this thing just bring all of the Asian out in this thing. We're gonna combine soy sauce, our minced garlic. I'm a garlic fiend, I use too much. Fresh minced ginger, some packed brown sugar. We're gonna mix this up, set this off to the side. Now this alone is gonna taste and be absolutely delicious, but I really wanna kick it up and give it that orange chicken and chow mein flavor. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that Jody's Asian Persuasion in there. Again, it's got some ginger, some granulated honey in it. That's really gonna add to the flavor of this dish. We're gonna set this off to the side. I've got my RTG450 Matador right behind me. It's scalding hot right now. We are going to cook off our onions and our celery. So we've got our freshly chilled chicken in the batter. Okay, we're ready to go in the oil. You're looking at about 375 to 350 degrees oil temperature. I like to get up a little higher than that because when we dump our chicken in there, the temperature of that oil is going to drop, okay? So I like to get a little bit higher than where I need at, so hopefully I drop into a good safe 350 and it's easy to recuperate. You don't want to crowd your pan. We don't have a lot of oil in here, less than a gallon. So we're just going to take and we're just going to drop some delicious chicken bits, and you can tell it's ready when you drop it. That oil starts to bubble. Oh yeah, yes sir, yes ma'am, that looks good. Oh yeah, oh Lord below, these things are, oh below, these things are crispy. Below, we just put these things in there and they're already crispy, buddy.
It's gonna be dang.
Yeah. So we've got our chicken already fried up. We've got our chow mein warm and ready to combine with it. The last thing we gotta do is make that orange sauce. So I've got the Matador set up over here without the pan. I've got a cast iron skillet over that flame. We're about to turn it on and get this sauce cooking. Look at that sauce. Oh, B-Lo, look at that sauce getting thick right there, son. That's what it's all about right there, that orange chicken. Oh my heavens. Look how thick. It's already getting thick. We're gonna cut the Matador off. Talk about a good dish. Cheese and crackers. Look at this beautiful orange chicken. The chow mein is unmistakable. Oh, I'm telling you what really makes, oh, that's so hot. What really makes this recipe, ladies and gentlemen, is that flour cornstarch mixture. It's really important to get a good crust on the outside of this orange chicken so that sauce can be just sucked up into it. Man, it looks absolutely amazing. It smells just like it. Somebody throw me a fork. Oh, my man. Nice. Those yakisoba noodles, unmistakable. I am never going out again. I'm gonna just cook this every time I want some of that delicious orange chicken and chow mein, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, chicken and squirrels, make sure you check out the other fast food videos in our fast food series. We really would appreciate it. Make sure you hit that that red rectangle and subscribe to the recteq YouTube channel. Head on over to Facebook. Make sure you like and share this video. I'm Jody Flanagan. You can follow me on all social media at BBQ Dad Jody. I really would appreciate it if you would. So I'm hungry. I want to dive right into this. We'll see you guys later. And as always, we'll see you at the recteq. Man, look at this orange chicken, mother lovers.